This factory builds timepieces with accuracy measured in microns. Inside, machines work with a level of precision humans simply can't match. Every movement here is controlled by ultra-precise automation.
Parts are cut thinner than a human hair.
Swiss engineering is built on consistency, not speed. Even the smallest component must meet strict tolerance limits. The piece is inspected before it moves forward. Only flawless components continue to assembly. These machines operate with steady hands, 24 hours a day. Each design is tested for years of continuous operation.
Is where precision becomes craftsmanship.
The factory never rushes. Accuracy always comes first. Calibration ensures long-term reliability. Every finished movement is protected before leaving the line.
This is why Swiss watches are trusted worldwide.
In the next section, we'll see how these movements become complete watches.
Now, the movement begins to look like a real watch. Alignment errors are measured in microns. Only perfectly aligned pieces move ahead.
Even a slight tilt can affect time accuracy.
Every movement must pass clearance tests.
This protects everything inside.
This step requires absolute stability. Much force can damage the movement.
Sapphire glass is chosen for durability.
Every watch is tested against water pressure.
Accuracy is adjusted one last time.
This ensures consistent timekeeping.
Every second is carefully verified.
Tests simulate years of use.
Only after passing every test is a watch approved. In the final part, we'll see how these watches are prepared for delivery.
Now, the watch becomes a complete product. Strap tension is precisely measured. Artificial intelligence detects even invisible flaws. Only flawless watches move ahead.
Each watch receives a unique identity. Protection begins even before packaging.
No human hands are needed. Every box confirms factory approval. From factory floor to global markets.
Precision, built by machines.
Modern Swiss watchmaking.
If you enjoyed this factory tour, subscribe for more incredible manufacturing stories from around the world.